What sets us apart is that you can be you because of the fact that this is a community that fosters that and also prides itself in that.
I really liked the fact that it was a small campus and that I would know who my professors are and they would know who I am.
At Glendon, you really benefit from small class size. You get to have the same professors in multiple courses, but you still have access to all the resources of York University as a whole.
It is a multilingual campus. Walking through the hallways, you hear a bunch of other languages, and I think that's pretty awesome.
The experiences were one of the most advantageous parts of the program because you can work in any industry anywhere in the world.
It is the place for diversity, for being yourself, for finding your niche, where you belong.